Sounds like it's on the Norfolk track.
Okay, here it comes.
Comment below
Here it comes.
what horn you think it is before a train comes.
Any guess by the horn?
Who guessed CSX?
You tricked us. Did you hear him blow the horn again?
There's only one engine. Let's see if it's a DPU.
Hey, we thought it was on the Norfolk and it was not. There's gotta be. There's only one engine on all these tankers.